But let's talk to Rotimi Fakaijo, who is a CEO, Enterprise Stockbrokers, and a trader at the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Good morning to you, Rotimi.
Good morning, Harriet.
So it was a very bloody day yesterday. 4.26%. That's the heaviest the market has lost since this year started. So what actually happened? Was it as a result of it being the last trading day of the month of May, or was it that investors didn't get the clarity that they really wanted with regards to flexible exchange rate policy that the central bank talked about at the end of its meeting?
Yes, I think that has a lot to play. That has a lot of role to play in what transpired yesterday, because at the time we thought it was going to abate in the last day, trading day of the month, but most unfortunately, it didn't happen. And it became that as the transactions continue, everything continues to go down, and a lot of panic now sets in. I think in the last trading day of the month, ordinarily stocks like Dangote Cement, Nigerian Breweries, Nestle would have gone up, but it didn't happen yesterday, all because of the anticipation of the forex policy guidelines, which had already been built into the upward movement that we saw earlier on. So a lot of people do not know how it's going to turn out. So everybody wants to catch the other unawares, and everybody went on a selling spree. So that was exactly what happened yesterday. But to me, I think the 4.26% loss was uncalled for, and it was definitely too much for the market to have taken.
So that's where we're coming up from this morning. What do you think will happen? Would there be continued profit taking at the markets today?
Yeah, definitely is going to continue, but it may not be in the same extent to which we saw yesterday.
But we saw investors particularly shaving off gains from the banking stocks. Yesterday, the banks dropped a whopping 6%. That's the banking index, closed at 6.2%. And then we saw the likes of GT Bank, Zenith Bank, FBN Holdings, ETI recording massive losses yesterday.
Yes, I think one other thing that did happen was that yesterday some foreign portfolio investors that actually have been looking for opportunity to get out actually took advantage of what happened yesterday. They are still waiting on the sidelines, believing that if the thing comes up, definitely things will, by the time they see the guideline, at least they will have some measure of advantage, because they believe that the market is going to calm down. So,
okay.
Be that as it may, I believe that maybe we will have the drop 1-2 days more, and then the market stabilizes and life continues.
All right, Rotimi, thank you so much for sharing your perspectives with us this morning.